Well, here it is, on its way to its new home. I hope the new owners enjoy it as much as I have. Okay, I hope they enjoy it more than I have. I won't lie, this thing has been it's been a challenge, but it did turn out beautiful. We say goodbye to the first vehicle out of Santa's workshop. We'll try and get a video of it going down the road. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Santa's Workshop here. Have I got a video for you today? We're taking a blast to the past. We've got a 52 Chevy Sport Coupe. They call them Styline Deluxe, I believe, from the factory, but here it is. This vehicle has 62,000 original miles. The only thing that has been done to it is a paint job. Back in the early 90s, I believe. Still has the original spare with the jack instructions hanging in the trunk. You are not going to find that. We have not started this car in probably 3 years. We had a little bit of problem. Somebody accidentally put ethanol in there, stuck a valve. We got that taken care of. Then we had problems with the fuel system. So on today's, we are going to put the gas tank back in it that I cleaned out last fall. Going to hear this thing start and run for the first time, hopefully. So let's get on it and see what we can do. Got those on. Got the clamps on. Hose on, light on. Drain plug plugged. This is all original. I wouldn't even doubt if that muffler was too. All right, we're going to do a first start in 2 years. Motor is nice and free.
It is so pretty.
It is beautiful. Okay, pump it and crank it. Pump it and crank. Yeah. Or no, you got to push the button. Okay. Try it again. Hold it. We are getting no fire. Imagine the points are needing cleaning. Go ahead and kill the key, turn the key off. Okay, just go ahead and rotate it. Just go ahead and push the button and turn it over. Hold it. Okay, let's turn the key off for a minute. Woo! Yeah, you got the key off?
Straight up and down.
Okay, turn the key on now and crank it. Whoa! I think it's going to run now. What do you think? I think I'm just going to do this. All right, try it again. Okay, let me pour some more gas in. Okay, try it. Okay. Okay. Crank it a couple of times. Nope, you don't have to turn on the key. Oh, yeah, I sure do. Never mind, hang on. Okay. Hold it. All right, we've been working on this thing. I'll give you a little look at the interior. Oh, excuse me, it has 65,000 original miles. See if I can get you a look at that. There you are right there. Original door panels. Original carpet. I mean, this car is a time capsule. Original headliner. Now, let's see what we can do. Oh, my lands. Listen to that purr. Oh. Oh, my lands. Oh, baby, baby. No smoke. Oh, I love this old car. Love it, love it, love it. So there you have it. It lives again. But we hope to see y'all next week. Like and subscribe if you saw this, and hope to see you next time.